How to disable Snapchat notifications. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to learn about disabling Snapchat notifications. So in order to do this, you need to go ahead and open your device settings first. But before that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you open the device settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Snapchat application, or you can just scroll down and find it. Once you go ahead and search for Snapchat, tap on that. Then go to permissions, that is between notifications and screen time. And from here, make sure that you have not allowed any notifications for Snapchat. If this toggle is turned on, simply toggle it off to disable the notifications and you'll be done. Another thing you can do is you can open your Snapchat application. Then after tap on the profile picture in the top left corner, then go to settings by tapping on the gear icon. From here, go to notifications that you will find between partner connections and Bitmoji and tap on disable notifications. As my notifications are already disabled, it is indicating enable notifications. But if it's enabled in your case, you can go ahead and disable it from here. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.